we want to review the movie IYA on YouTube.
My own opinion is that the movie cannot happen in real life because trust me,
that's why it's a movie.
That's why it's a movie.
It's not a true life
Let's
story.
just act as if it was real, but it can't be real. Well, because I'm dad Joe.
And the reason why you are going to be having, anyway, we have two sides of every story. But trust me, if you were raised by a single mom and you saw your mom suffer to raise you right, raise you well, you will know that movie cannot happen.
Because you will not tell me that one Baba will now sit down.
Please don't preach forgiveness to me.
Don't preach forgiveness to me, Kaka.
Please wait. Don't preach forgiveness. If you cannot relate, stay
at off.
Do you understand? You that you were brought up with silver spoon, your mommy and daddy, you were. In fact, one of my friends has insulted me that we don't have a complete home. Do you remember? Yes. I don't want to say her name because our mom and daddy, they are together. Oh,
that one, not even the bill. Because they say that, oh, it's because we are hot because we did not have a fatherly love.
Fatherly love. Do you know the love?
You think my mother did not try?
You
think my mother did not try that?
Which
in fact, we that were raised by a single mom, we have more fatherly love than you people that I don't know. I don't even know how to say it. But trust me, there's no fatherly love.
That's how I watch Adam or Daddy and the cinema.
Adam or Daddy.
But my message when I called me, hello Ipechi. Shati, we're moving here. I'm like, yo, if not because I know you, if my mama, I will come to your house and punch you. Yeah.
Because
I would have done that.
Adam or Daddy was another.
I don't want to talk because she knows our story. That's why she called her.
Yeah.
Hello, Ibechi. When she called, I rolled my eyes. Why are you telling me this?
But anyways, that movie was not acted well because they went to court.
No. You're going to say the storyline. Don't let people say another thing.
No, like the IYA movie, yes. It was good. It was a good watch.
The actors and actresses that were there.
You see that MIDE Martins?
She's actually very good. Very, very good.
I saw the pain in her eyes when the children were like, they're going. Oh, no, come. Oh, Emma Damoto. If a father is not responsible enough, Emma forcing. You know, because the woman surely law. Oh, my surely ball. The lady said, surely law be me short on done. They will not come and not saying they will not be preaching forgiveness for you.
Wait, what did we see that? Is it not Mama Desi? Oh, okay, sorry.
Look where?
Sorry.
But you don't have to mention him. I love the fact that she gave it to the man. That's both because
Lord, set an angel at the end of my lips.
Because if I I literally want to talk. Me, I don't even have filter. Because I saw forgive.
Someone even commented that,
somebody tagged us on the movie.
I trust TWINZ love.
I trust it. Yes, you're not lying. You trust me. You can never be me. It was like, in fact, okay, maybe because
even
the father is rich.
Do you know the meaning of irony? Do you know the meaning of irony?
Fuck your money. If you have pride, you see those stupid men, they will not even come and beg. No, I know that apology is something that's. But man, I want to do pada. That's what about my.
De pada, báwo láì ṣe just lover. De pada. Rárá o. No.
Come back for what?
No.
When the 21st century,
see, let me tell you why the reason why you feel like, this one is not as if we are taking someone's experience and imposing it on ourselves. We experienced it.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ìròyìn tí àwọn ìbejì yìí sọ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ṣẹ̀wò tán yìí látàrí fíìmù tí MIDE Martins ṣe tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí IYA. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí ni tí ẹ lérò ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn méjèèjì yìí sọ o.
We experienced the best motherly love ever.
In fact, even if he was involved, it can never be this good.
I swear
at all.
Because I remember
I swear
to God, my mother tried. Wallahi talai.